Vacuuming procedures. Move counterclockwise around the room to ensure all areas are vacuumed. Keep slack in your cord. This will prevent ground plugs from becoming broken off. Vacuum corners, edges, and underneath desks as you work around the room. Move chairs up to the desk or table after vacuuming. Pick up trash cans and vacuum underneath them. Vacuum mats and roll them up and vacuum the floor underneath the mats. Do not unplug electronic equipment when looking for a place to plug in your vacuum. When unplugging the vacuum, do not pull from the cord, pull from the plug. Replace vacuum bags when they are 1/3 full. Don't forget the details. Lock out elevators. Vacuum and clean elevator tracks. Don't vacuum wet areas. Watch for trash not emptied and be sure to put trash cans back into their proper place. Move chairs up to the desk after you vacuum. Spot vacuum furniture. Turn off the lights in areas that are finished. Wipe down equipment, replace bags, and clean filters when needed. Store the vacuum and attachments properly. Review. 5 common complaints: unplugged office equipment, banged up furniture and walls, trash cans not put back into their proper places, corners and edges are not vacuumed, debris left on floors. Preparation. Make sure you have the proper equipment for the job, upright or backpack vacuum. Procedures. Move counterclockwise around the office. Vacuum corners and edges and underneath desks as you work around the room. Vacuum mats. Roll up and vacuum the floor underneath the mats. Replace the vacuum bag when 1/3 full. Don't forget the details. Move chairs up to the desks after vacuuming. Turn the lights off in the rooms you have finished. Wipe down the equipment after use. Store the vacuum and attachments properly.